Nobody. Ghana ni awobe. In fact, omuankasa omu communicators. This guy also been paka. I say who defend the NPP and there. Ghana for who say we are bodemni. This is NPP one time deputy communication director and I can hear me. I say and then defending NPP. If you are defending NPP and there, Ghana for who say we are bodemni because nyama eko ye. Obia who say bibi nyama eko so fine. Was Ghana for who say we are there? We are bodemni. Ko any man. It is a bibia eko ye na se won kwa betenase na se o ka se NPP ne se na NPP ye no NPP mreso na Ghana for who him say and everybody thinks there's something wrong with you.
Okay, Peter, yenhwe and the minority so press conference and pay Sandra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama can say less than a year ejuma wa ye yen no abon one sana pay me yemfa press conference in film papa ni je ni nyam yenhwe asama Afenyo Markin press conference omo ya na pay so omo kan na yentu en common so yentie.
The NDC is busy talking about us. What they've also forgotten is that they also have a leadership contest awaiting them. And do so osi obi fieshe omo de npo de kankan kra sesi a obe hu no ase edun katia ose oko thank you to meanwhile no campaign de aye hu ni say aisa aban e won your own preferred candidate Jubilee House for so omo candidate obedi flag bearer amomo na party no so one candidate nti enche bi ebedu omoso but the IPC can say NPP there nyame ya adoma after 31st yan ye war parliament ya real taso say kwen bia so no ye de ba ko ye enka bom ebetai ni obewini nechi na ye nyina ya boa e ma party na akone kan nti no NDC for mundwe omo no mudi omo fi asem yan hwe kra na ebia by mid this year Omampei Mahama eba be lame duck president because obia pay to me wo show omumua vice president also onu subedi president and then I'm saying yet say onu afa haruna idrusa and running mate yet ya ne say chief of staff Julius Debra onu so nam ne kwan onu so be president edi onu so o say ne running mate any fifi kwete yet a majority leader ono so onam ne baby onini ablakwa omoso yo mo permutation yenua finance minister ono so omose obedi president ono so prepare no running mate inti ade no atasa wo bebia on the metro mass issue, we are going to call on the Minister of Transport when Parliament resumes to answer questions regarding why they sat down for a whole year without putting in place measures to beef up the fleet levels. It again exposes the minister's lack of clear vision for the transport sector. But would bid our time, put together a paper by the appropriate committee of the caucus, and hold the minister's feet to the fire when Parliament resumes. So bear with us. We want to do the right thing. Thank you very much. So since May 2023, Ghana has had a 3 billion from Ghana's IMF program, which in turn has unlocked light debt relief and financing. For example, in mid-2025, Ghana's parliament approved a 2.8 billion restructuring deal with 25 official creditors, including China, France, the US, UK, and others. Under this agreement, all debt payments due through 2026 were rescheduled, effectively granting Ghana 2.8 billion in debt service relief it could play with in the budget. So once again, Ghana's economic fortune so far is tied to the IMF program and the windfall, not necessarily due to any re-engineering of the economy. The establishment of the Gold Board as a regulator and also an operator is in a way directly encouraging Galamsey activities. Our water bodies are being polluted. In fact, organized labor last year sounded an alarm and indicated that the Galamsey activities have worsened. This government has failed to provide tangible evidence of its commitment in the fight against Galamsey. It is clear that they are always involved in a PR gimmick, looking at the optics rather than the substance. They are interested in short-term gains, and today we don't know whether the Gold Board makes a distinction between regularly mined gold or an illicit gold. All we know is that they are talking about their success story, the amount of gold or the tons of gold they have purchased. Yet they fail to tell us whether or not there are measures to fight against illicit gold that are mined through Galamsey activities. We are concerned because the future of this country is at stake, and the earlier this government took steps to protect the future of Ghana, the better. Second, we are also concerned about the IMF reported $240 million as of September 2025.
Enti minority leader Afenyo Markins ninsema odia atudwano no say enya dia yebeka say aban na abon hombodin say aban na competent ana say eye gains ana growth e Ghana economy no President Mahamadu ne dom na abon omo hombodin but factors na omo can be IMF program debt relief any reduction of government expenditure and then abua ma eniama etumi afante nya abane but I am who because I say na say we now what it is NPP for ka say good measures be Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and I want this asem measures be odugu ho na bia abua ma ekosa and some of the two dey lewe ntumi anka ho sa dey na wo ka fa ho kasim yentie o
nipa bia no ya wo fufura wadwino eyeduma correct
ya wo fufura ya wadwino eyeduma
yo until say ubenyi na wadwani NPP na afi to say no akasa na afi wadwino ya atasa Afenyo Markin onwa na bema 38 then no munya no ebeba 24
yo
onwa na be bu om party no empenyifo na omuwo party or like those sitting at the bench omo hwere nyina omo nyina ohwe Professor Frimpong Boateng nsemo kan nyina is around Afenyo Markin and then the general secretary ni omukof omo nsem na ya omukaka no tse na wo kan more I now understand say then now there are two groups in NPP
sir
those who believe say the good things happening under NDC is because of Bawumia's economic foundations or lay. And Afenyo Markin in the group or most believe say it is because of IMF condition tina all this is happening.
Okay.
You see, one thing is confirmed. What is confirmed is they are saying whether we inherited it from Bawumia, it is IMF. They are confirming the country is being run correctly, and send a post say the country is heading in the right direction. They've confirmed it because way in our areas. In our among your schoolmates, even abebi ayabe doing na we can confirm say we have people that we know say of we sikefi
sir
ye wuja sikamano ebini Akufo Addo you would asika man
brother
nanso onyi no enam say braboni ni niama boni a onu ankasa oye nti no ahwere sa niama ni nyina but and then so mo ankasa jatum say oh Bawumia na lay foundation no ena jo mama ba na sabi wanum wi anse no wan fatra mo anse no but wetimi the efie nyansa asomuden
okay
ama de na multiply ama na ya de papa then why should you even complain na just say oya ni papa oyo bia ya tete no oyo bia onim ne o ba ne oye so there is no need for this kind of press conference it went in a wako frɛ nipa miensa ejina wechi na omo gina ne chini nyina ohwa ba akokra ba ko gina one side ba ko so achoke one side aso mu nyina aso mu don't believe in what he is saying
no ba ko
Habibo said then
no kakaguna
look at the people standing omo ni mu
say de bia na wa bre we ne ni a me pese meka yo me mboni di ba ku de bi oda ogina ho ana oda o ogina echire na last ede mama party ka say sa ogina ho no oda
ebro
na ya ko
a question Ghana for be bisan say ni omu kan can we say the same thing in 2017 when they took over 2017 2018 can Ghanaians endanger themselves say the same thing about the economy then like that no you know we are saying in NPP for say no omo say omo party no after 31st omo presidential primaries no party no ebetiti apansam there won't be NPP again omo ka some scatter on party na fe Ghana for na fe one party state no na you be empower CPP to take over from NPP because they are useless opposition. Opposition doesn't mean that just come and put microphone in your before the citizenry and say anything. Nema omo kan nyina enya ade a sebi dansa wom. O sorry I will say bafu boni. Oye thank you to ana oye den. Sebi Gloria Akufo Bedi president chief justice. Okacho say one visit any state institution and one come bia
judiciary service the whole gang
sir papa yi ni NPP parliamentary candidate na obedi chief justice no mo friend say ni okoye no after Akufo Gloria Akufo ni oba ya ansana
go for dam me
o kan justice ana say
attorney general
evidence o kan back on
no enya attorney attorney general me can chief justice
chief justice
yes
and so but any
enya dam no you see
but you don't have any evidence here or your organizer now
no there was
it's never true so and call ABR parliament
one contest bia okay and okay
just for NPP
when you
one of judges vote
okay
It's my transa. No cry or nyame nimni. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wakasa. Na kasa wakasa nyina no in twofold. Or the share from baby Ghana, baby ye free buy. Baby ye bedru se CI. Ena baby sebi yeko. In fact, in the end no I mean, shares and free baby or the shares here. Or started by saying, say, you Ghana ha, you know, in some man for cafe economy way home. And I actually $1. Yeah, the amount IGP, and IGP a lucky $1 no, and I say, Nisi, and Russia, Ukraine, and I send be brave. Sebi, ono ankasa beje na dollar no was somewhere around 17 cedis and the dollar no is around 10 cedis bafom enti no ofa no say ni nyina no nyame esan bedru say anka ono no na adwemu no no feel say ni obehu ye eni ni obeto ye the way anem na niam asitie no o man who say within 2 years no he can turn things around by nyame chade less than just 1 year hwaniama akoso and all they ka say Ebenezer and hwani nyame ni abedru sebi ejuma wa we say ejuma we enye obia keke ne betimi aye
no correct
enye obia ne betimi aye ni say sebi say adwe wo wutrim ana wo nipa nankasa no enwusra bi enni ho a obeje a niam beko echire but enam say Nyankopon ahyra nipa na odi enim nti no bibia obesom bia no sebi Nyankopon hyra wa pure water kwa na ode unsaka say uton a otimi ton pure water ne ede hwe o mama mu ko school ema mu timi ye ni papa enyam say hyra wo ne awo ye no so Nyankopon ankasa nsa wom enti no bon say bibia obeye bia no wo nipa dua no kra no ema hyra basa ade no so okonya ka say na IMF for a projecting po say by 2025 no anka primary balance
no okay
ebe hit 1.5 na ye ka say I hit 2 internet say bibia extra say bibia da na kwan mu a sebi Nyankopon egusu ehira wan ka say eyono ena waye o say nyame and this is what the God always says bibia bibia mu no yemfa nhira ena sida emfa ma ono nyame esan say ono uye bibi na say ono nsan ni mu a enye
ye no crap
yenhwe those days sabi gymnastic I course so ye koji loan kra ye twa cake wo ho Ilevi gidi ye celebration ade ana Ghana for mpe ye di be see yeso by force ye di see yeso a ye see mpe kra na ye di see yeso no ye san eye hu party or Ministry of Finance ni nyina no sa na Ghana for etete be no mo hwe omudin na 2024 Nyankopon ye adom eno mu yi yen free ewudifo NPP for nsa na nado ni Bawumia ewudifo mienu Nyankopon eyi ye free omo nsem nyame nchade mo hwe bebia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edi ya abedru in fact okoso ka chense even IMF for kura no omo ntiasie hawa niema kono wo Ghana no ase Ghana no yankwa in the map of the world no we are performing magic because bebia na ye hye yetimi aba out etimi a performing at the moment yeni omo say omo no me big economies in Yamana we are even rocking shoulders with them no ebro bia nti ase so even IMF for cry ebro mo nti ase so that is the reason why obia di neni abesi Ghana IMF for cry share omo a they are even saying or they are using Ghana as an example other countries to the extent say omo timi ka say wa mo hwe the way Ghana ekọ hwe baby Ghana free and they are using Ghana to advise other countries say ne be ya omo so ombenya arehemu ayi good leaders metimi aboa ama omo man ntumpon na ne nyina mu no papa no koso e ka kire say onu na dwimu no he is hopeful say by 2026 we are ye by the time I be call na wie ye no ewiase nyina be sorry abomusem ama the country called Ghana. Sebi say yes unim owu a hwenda
saa na omukano
se yenim hwe kura no bebia papa we bebia NPP Bawumia ne Akufo Addo ja ye nto ye bebia papa we fa ye any bebia odi abedru se papa we ka kire ye se by the end of this year the wiase nyina bebo mu se mama ya ese se ye ginidi and then they fa mpaibo enfenta papa we echi na yen support ne appointees se ne be ya sebi oman no enko yimaye ne ma papa ekoso we nyina yi no enye NPP fon enye NDC fon kwa na enjoy all those things
sir
both NDC and NPP and omo a omuntu abakura nyina na ye enjoy sebi se ohuto wa adwenbone emba otirimu se adesan fa etu fa be gina me so na gimi sika ohuto wa adwenbone bia mba otirimu se kona kochi obiba ne twa ne ti anana ye ne bibi se odi koji sika du intubon se nema we nyina akoso a ema ye nyina asumdwe because sebi obia endwin adwenbone obia nama odwin se ne adwumam odwin se ne obeya nema bekoso ama no ana bibia ekoso jojo ema nipa nti ema oman na nkasa no asumdwe ba oman no nti ye nyina no esese at the moment yen da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yen da nase na fe ne appointees nyina oni omu ebu aban omu so yen show omu Kenya na yen bompa ye mu nyina se Yakupon emboa na onhyira omu no onbi omuni no onbi omu adwen mu na sumpa omu de si omu ni so omu sum Ghana man no sabe nya John Mahama no omu sum no omu sum Ghana man sumpa omu de si omu ni so omu sum Ghana man no Yakupon hyira so na enya adepa ma ye nyina na se ne be ya sabi ye nyina no ya ho beto ye Ghana no most at times no ya problem ani se ye bibia e politics inti but one kasa video a boy ye interviews and crofo no omu ye ya crofo no ka omu say sabi enye se aban afena omu se aban aba on twen se election year ana ye koto aba ansa no hu se ye twa kwan aban aba ni first year was starting a twa kwan na che se e aban asabi onye na adwin se obedi abro ti se send His Excellency kan no o say wa ba ban muda e no wako nechi wako reflect e na wasan ba nti onini esese oye enye obi na be san ka kire nti no otenye amanfo eka interview tepakwan ya omu ye interview ankrofo no eka sa time na eboni nya sa accident
sa kwan so na eboni nya accident
on say yesi na anwea bi o ma hipi anwea bi gu kwan no so in fact sa anwea na cause those accidents but sa ta na kwan nye so anwea gu so na ye silly portos ni amaniama na cause sebi akoso be life anka John Mahama bedi president in tema anka eboni anka owu because anka kwan we anka wa yededa anka eboni minka ne busuanfo yawo anka badis anka bayo na anka otiasia obonyuma ye nyina yegusu de nenyum edi asa but na omo wo ho no omo anye ba nyame nchade the good man His Excellency John Dramani Mahama waba ena sebi oye amanfo nso edi adanse ese kwan na oye no eya adepa ena omo anka so omo ka se this is the first time aban bia on twen say abato adru ansana obeyi kwan anansana obeye development and it is going on everywhere every region major construction work also in every region and this is all governance is about because say o bu oman na say nipa omugum omu bre nipa omugum sabi basic things to say akwan any aspect ni nyama eniwa obema oman no mu asetina ebedin abrochira ye fa ni nyina omu ka akwan because abrofuka che say efi ha kotema 25 minutes 25 minutes ese ukodro nanso ha say no you be 25 minutes in pepe but because of kwan no enye any traffic situations in yamania ntino 25 minutes so ekoye 1 hour 30 minutes ba no sa na eye osika ena ehye yanso ye nibi na say wo mfa say 50 Ghana fuel enkodu tema obukwa kodu na washi be 70 Ghana fuel ana 80 Ghana fuel ni nyina no ma on yi poverty ko high intini ye besre Ghana for say tobe a NPP for ye ni nyina no it is all because the people or the citizens are happy with this government. Another answer me tie omo communicators back on ka say ono petrol ya teso no ono no affecting sometimes me bisa me say na nkofo we na omo school no omo ko no wo he I say esun NPP for school omo ko ye and esun school NDC for ko ye but sabi a whole party communicator abet now ka say ono petrol na ya teso no it doesn't affect her because ono onika otwi so on top petrol na ono no ofu trotro ofu uber ofu yango ena obia bisa se na sa trotro ni uber ni yango no sebi Johnson yedigum ena yedi foul na se yenyina yenim se at a point in time in Ghana here driver for laid their keys down say omo nko ejuma biom because petrol bo they can't buy omo top petrol na omo ko ha ne haya omo nya passengers na akoba na petrol na asa na akoba ne say car be fee now man for and people were not traveling because sabi sikanu bi ni ho obeko ba bia this onim say baby okono sika be free mu aba people were not traveling because the fuel bo akosoro transportation cost has moved high but as we speak driver for they are not complaining no truck drivers they are not complaining sabi omumbom and asesi ano omu abambom chase omu say do the right thing because ya titi bibia so but omu no still omu pese omunti omuniama so ana omu pese omudi abro and this is what governance is all about. And I'm we akotenase and all case or no adi way it doesn't affect her and people in fact on one kasa the comments about ni okan no kra no okokan ya on one kase be say wa go for big time but that is NPP for you. NPP there ade aye papa no and omo mu hu no say e bone ade aye bone no and omo say papa na say enye saa hwe ade a Ken Ofori Atta Ayɛka no man yi na say bi wa be so no man wo dwane free adru nkutabo mre wo dwane free o man no say o kwa abrochire akɔhwe o ho yale oni na mabrochire na wo to ayampia e ko shopping oni oyire e ko apena babebu nkunta wo say wo ma no amount 40 Ghana ha and more support to adiesa meanwhile the same person no yare na o yare nyina na ono ani NPC ka say ma papa o yare tena baabi na ama obi a o yare mbe yedwuma no o say da bi nya Akufo Addo o say be yedwuma yi ende o say o yare the same yare na enam so ayesi ko tena bench ansa na serious people abebu o man no aba no ende there o say o yare but some people are supporting this character but edeya echeche wonafe oni de yenim say obeba there's no hiding place for Ken Ofori Atta oba so NPP there near papa no they say it's say bone near bone no and no mu say papa nti no omude say edenenam no wo hwe omuniam omoye onbibi omoye they say NPP no akoye say obia and nobody takes them serious again. Okay. Eti no tokonu ne bafubo ne ye no. Mesremu. We say yes a reset too. So it means that things will not be done the same way it was done in the past. Munti ase keke. Na say one who say prisons Bafubani ne yere. She's Director General Prison Service. Mo December. For the first time, prisoners. Omuankasa they have shown their addresses and omuye exhibition show. ABC that. As we speak, even yes, very nice, and everybody applaud. Other than the NPP, and then Afenyo press conference. One kasa say, hey, say the prisons for say namoye. Yo, and then Benu can say CDS or say the Ghana Armed Forces. They are now even going to go into bakery, poultry, and even kenke production. We don't say hey, and no come with you, and I say namo. Just understand, say. We say reset, meaning we are not going to do things the way it was done in the past. And yes, John Mama is not coming, is not interested in those things. He is putting Ghana on the right path. So Afenyo Markin, if you have nothing to say, and shut up.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.